Daily routine sentences at home. Let's start. Wake up now. Wake up now. It's time to get ready. It's time to get ready. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Take a bath. Take a bath. Get dressed quickly. Get dressed quickly. Come and have breakfast. Come and have breakfast. Don't be late for school. Don't be late for school. Do your homework. Do your homework. Help me in the kitchen. Help me in the kitchen. Set the table. Set the table. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Open the window. Open the window. Close the door. Close the door. Keep the room clean. Keep the room clean. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Take some rest. Take some rest. It's dinner time. It's dinner time. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. Prepare lunch. Prepare lunch. Eat lunch with family. Eat lunch with family. Wash the lunch dishes. Wash the lunch dishes. Take a short nap. Take a short nap. Listen to music. Listen to music. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Make tea for the family. Make tea for the family. Enjoy tea with snacks. Enjoy tea with snacks. Watch the news on TV. Watch the news on TV. Pack the bag for the next day. Pack the bag for the next day. Read before sleeping. Read before sleeping. Write in the diary. Write in the diary. Check the phone one last time. Check the phone one last time. Pray before going to bed. Pray before going to bed. Brush the teeth before sleeping. Brush the teeth before sleeping. Changing into night clothes. changing into night clothes. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Lay down on the bed. Lay down on the bed. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.